Authorities in Kenya have released a damning report from a parliamentary inquiry accusing the British Army's training unit in the country of serious human rights violations, environmental damage, and misconduct spanning decades. The investigation, conducted by the Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations Committee, documented repeated incidents of sexual abuse, including rape and assault, often followed by abandonment of children fathered by soldiers. Beyond sexual violence, the report also holds BATUK responsible for environmental destruction, negligence in handling ordnance, and improper disposal of military waste, leading to injury, death, and degradation of local land. The UK government responded by expressing regret over the findings and saying it stands ready to investigate new allegations once evidence is provided, according to its statement.